the garage sale's over, but some things we couldn't sell. Interesting.
Oh! Okay, I guess there's still cleaning to be done. I'll be back.
What does this have to do with cleaning?
Don't you see? We need to clean out this old junk box. No one bought it.
That's not junk. That's a box of memories. These, for instance, are the popsicle sticks from my favorite ice cream. There's so much more. I remember we almost broke the window with this ball while playing with my sister. Oh, we were scolded. While here, I put the batteries, and my old bear could speak.
Sue, you overheated. It's just some junk.
Well, one can make amazing things out of simple junk, you know.
And if it doesn't work, the trash bag is always here.
No way. We're going to make something very extraordinary.
All right, fine. I give this junk another chance.
Hi, guys. Let's get started with our craft.
You still didn't tell us what you're planning to make.
Look, we've got a motor and these wires.
Let me think. Are ya gonna make a game?
No.
A sharpener? A coin box? Tell me!
Sammy, a robot.
A robot made of junk?
Yes. Here, I'm going to show you how you can make something really cool and very unusual out of the most useless junk stuff. I've already prepared little wooden pieces and painted them.
We love bright crafts.
Oh, thanks, Sammy. Great! Guys, we'll need 2 pieces like these. Now, let's glue them to the motor this way. Guys, be careful working with the hot glue. Or ask an adult to help you.
Sue, I got carried away with the wood pieces and made 2 more.
Good job, Sammy. Let's glue them as well.
Now this reminds me of something.
Well, what exactly?
A little man.
Right, Sam. But it's just the beginning. Let's continue. This will be a human-like robot. It'll need legs and hands to move. There. See?
Sue, are you gonna use even these papers to make the robot?
Sure, they're very useful. Check it out. Twist the paper stripe around the stick tightly and add some glue to fix it better.
Got it. I'm on it.
Oh, what do you mean?
Here! Is it good?
Yeah, you're so quick, Sam.
Quick! We could make a house for a hamster during the time we're making these tiny pieces. Ooh.
Thank you for your advice, Sam. But I'm busy making a personal driver for a hamster.
What?
I said a personal driver. Our hamster will sit in a carriage pulled by this robot.
How lucky, hamster. Well, if you got this, of course.
Sam, why are you so skeptical? Sam! Huh. Already gone. Whatever. Check it out, guys. Our robot's base is ready. Let's get to the carriage. Our carriage will have the most beautiful and bright wheels.
Ha! Yeah! Defend yourself, Sue! Come on!
Oh, now that's serious.
Ha-ha! See? I won! Admit it, I was right. You can't make a robot out of junk.
Are you sure?
What are you doing, Sue?
Up. Now you have 2 swords.
Sue?
Hey, check out this trick. Up. Now they're 4. Actually, they're even 8. Now these pieces are going to become the wheel's spokes. Sam, could you do the same with the second wheel, please?
The trick's not to become a piece yourself. I made the most solid wheel in the world.
I think our hamster will be grateful. All right, this is the main part of our carriage. It will hold all the construction. Let's secure the wheel with some glue. And the second one.
You mean the world's best one?
Exactly, Sammy. Now, let's check. Look, Sammy! The carriage is moving! It's time to create some comfort. According to the design I came up with, this carriage should have a real chair.
Oh, shoo! So you weren't kidding about the personal carriage for the hamster?
Nope. Sammy, you kinda surprised me. I mean, we've made so many different crafts together. Besides, I never joke about these things.
If you're serious, I decided to be as serious as possible too. I made this out of wire and felt.
Wow, really? Nice job, Sammy.
Yep, I found some felt scraps and decided to use them. I'm gonna bring something more.
Ooh, interesting. What have you got there?
Catch it!
Soft pillows? How lovely, Sammy! Well, well, well. Done! The final touch.
Well, it looks fine, but I still don't believe this thing can work.
Oh, Sammy, Mr. Dubious. Look. First, let's glue our charioteer, which is also a motor.
And it will work with the help of...
This big red button. Sammy, everything works with the help of the big red button.
Come on, even I know that the switch tries nothing without wires and electricity. You can't fool me.
Yeah, well, you got me. Guys, ask an adult to help you with the wires.
The next step is also dangerous. Sue entrusted it to me.
All right, now the only thing remains is to hide the wires. I think this way, it'll look more neat.
Sue, aren't we missing a head?
Oops, right. We'll make it out of this ping pong ball. But first, we need to glue the neck.
Neck snack! While you were messing with it, I created a masterpiece.
Oh, that's so beautiful. Okay, let's glue the head. And put it on its place. Done.
Oh, it does look like a robot, but it's not moving. Anyway, since your craft worked out, you saved tons of trash from recycling, and... Oh! Did you just do it? It's moving! Wow, but how?
Sammy, you helped me. See? It worked out really well.
So, should we bring our hamster and watch him ride?
Uh-huh. We made it for him. Mr. Hamster, your comfy carriage is ready.
Have a nice ride.
Look! I guess our hamster likes to look around.
Sue, I think it's a bit too slow for him, so he decided to challenge the rickshaw.
Guys, give a thumbs up if you liked our carriage.
And subscribe to our channel to see more crafts of junk. I mean, of cardboard and sticks.
Bye, guys.
And now, it's my turn.